Hi everybody, this is Randy Valicki, Chief Science Officer here at HairMax. Today we're going to talk about the Ultima 12. The Ultima 12 is the largest handheld device we offer, featuring 12 clinically proven medical grade lasers. Very, very simple to use, but before you use it, you have to charge the battery. Inside your box, you'll find a power cord box. Just go ahead and open up your box and you can take out the power cord as well as the adapter. Of course, you plug one end into the adapter. It only goes one way. Then the other end, there's two ways to charge your HairMax laser combs. You can charge them by plugging them into the cradle directly. This little green light will come on, letting you know you've got electricity to the cradle. This light right here will flash, letting you know that the device is charging. Another way to charge it is directly into the handle of the device. All you need to do is right in the very, very bottom, plug that in, and of course the other end into a wall socket. This light again will flash as it charges. When the light stops flashing, that means your battery is completely charged and you're ready to use it. Your Ultima 12 is very, very simple to use. If you can brush your hair, you can grow your hair. It's a two-button operation. You touch the lower button and then the upper button. And you can see that turns on those therapeutic red light energy. It also turns on a timer, lets you know how long you've been using your HairMax. Start by placing the HairMax up at your hairline. Hold it there for 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, you're going to hear a beep and you're going to feel a little vibration. Move it back about a ½ inch. It's going to beep again. You move it back another ½ inch. And you continue along your scalp all the way till you get to the back. Then what I do is I do it again over that same area. Beep, move, beep, move, beep, move until you get to the back. Go over that same spot 3 or 4 times. Then move up to the next section of your scalp. Now as you see, I'm holding the laser comb against my scalp because as I move it through my hair, these patented hair parting teeth, they're moving the hair aside and they're letting that therapeutic light energy go down to the scalp. Once that light energy gets to the scalp, it energizes those weakened hair follicles, it wakes them up and encourages them to start growing again. You use your Ultima 12 for 8 minutes, 3 times a week. Simple as can be. We've designed the HairMax laser comb so that the teeth are removable for cleaning. They're very simple to remove the teeth. Just place your fingers under the teeth and slide it upwards. You hear a little snapping noise and the teeth come right out like that. Now you wash the teeth in your sink with warm soapy water. But what you want to do here with the laser comb is just take a warm damp cloth and run it along that laser window. Don't ever use any detergents or solvents to clean your laser comb. To put the teeth back, you line up the top and the bottom slots and just push it right back into place, and you're all set to go with your next treatment.